up, everybody? Back on this commercial control board. I'll try to finish it up today. That's my goal. I'm getting my soldering iron ready. It's already at 500 degrees. I'm gonna turn my microscope on. Let's see what we have. Okay, I forget how to do it already. Okay. Sorry about that. How do you... Okay. Perfect. So I'm gonna start with taking off this part right here. I got... Let me just focus it. Okay, let's move the board to the faulty part. I think it's... Is it this guy? Where is it? I think it's this guy. Okay. So I got a new microchip right here, and I'm going to see if it's the same one. Yeah, I ordered two of them just in case. Let's see. Yeah, it's the same one. So this will go this way. So I'm gonna start by taking this one off. Where is the flux? We'll put some flux in there. Where's my flux? I saw it this morning. I don't know. It disappeared. Strange. I just saw it. Oh, here you go. Here it is. Okay, this is the chip that we're gonna remove first. So I'm gonna apply heat, but not like directly to it. Just from a distance, and take your time. I need my tweezers. Such a big board this guy is. Yeah, so just apply heat and wait. Not directly on top of it, just, you know, I would say 2-3 inch from the chip, and then you go all the way. Yeah, just like so. And you'll see the solder will start to move around. This is when I'm gonna take the chip out. I'm gonna apply heat on this side too. Still in place. Just let's apply a little bit more heat. This is maximum heat, by the way. that this iron can do. So it can do only 500 degrees. Yeah, I think it's getting ready. Keep in mind there is 14 legs from each side, so it might take a little longer to take it apart, but just take your time, you know, no rush. You want to warm it up really good. See, it's still in place. It's coming out a little bit, I can tell. I applied more direct heat on it, as you can see. Yeah, it's moving already. Little stubborn chip. Yeah, usually it will come out by that time already, but let's apply more heat. Yeah, you don't want to snap it, so just wait until it comes out completely. It's stuck pretty good. I'm almost applying direct heat to this. I think it's might gonna come soon. Oh, came out. That's good. As you can see, this is very hot, but I will show you the damage on it. I'm just gonna clean this area real quick. Finally, I have some time to do work in the shop because I was busy doing service calls this week. But let's see. I want to clean it really good here. There's a couple places I want to clean real good. This guy and right there, if you remember. Perfect. So see this one I want to clean really good, and I will show you this microchip. As you can see, let me just put it here. See, it's missing one leg right there, so this is no good anymore. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the solder on both ends like this, and I'll just put this on, apply heat, and maybe I'll try to do it with a soldering iron. Maybe it's gonna be a little bit better, we'll see. Yeah, there's lots of legs here, so you want to make sure they are all aligned like so. I don't know, what should I do better. Let's try with the soldering iron, just one leg, and see how it goes. Let's put some flux in there on this side. Just want to see how it goes with the soldering iron. I just want to kind of catch it on the one leg, you know what I mean? Can't really tell, but almost. But I got it in place. It's just I want to get it. Oh. Okay, so I got it on one leg. Just want to see on the other side. Oh. I just put it on two legs. I just want to, yeah, see, it's kind of, it's lifting the chip up, which I don't really like, but let's see. Yeah, just because there's so many legs. Yeah, I think this is in place. I'm just thinking what better. Maybe I should just do it with the other soldering iron. Let's see what I can do here. Yeah, it's still not in place. But let's see if I can maybe get this going with this one. Um, let's see if I can do it with this guy. With this extension, if it's gonna work. Let's see what can be done here. Oh shit, sorry, it's a different one, my bad. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Still sleeping. It's 6 in the morning here, so let me just too much heat. I think I got all this other side in. Just gonna do it on this side as well. Yeah, I got those legs in. Yep, that looks good. This looks good. Show me the other legs. Put more solder in here, or sorry, flux on both ends. Just wanna make sure I have solid connect on both ends. That's good on this side. Let's get it on the other side. I'm just gonna clean everything and make sure I have good contacts between each leg here, but it looks like it's in place. This chip is good. All the legs are connected. Let me just clean it up a little bit. So this board is almost ready. I cleaned here. It was just a little bit of I would say just dust, black dust. It was not burned. I checked this little micro board and it was all good. I'm just gonna check all the legs here to make sure they are all connected good. Let me just clean it up a little bit better. I think it's all good now. Just want to do final testing and then I will correct here those soldering points, and I think this board will be okay for testing. Yeah, so that looks pretty good. I think everything is in place. I don't want to put more solder because sometimes when you put more solder you will connect the legs. All what I have to do is to check if there's any loose leg. Okay, so we might have few loose legs here, like this guy, or maybe it's still. Let me do it with the soldering iron, just a little touch. I think on each leg would be perfect. Where is it? Is that this one? No. Let me turn this one off. Okay, so this is the one right here, right? Yeah, see, it's almost like, let me just make a little contact here. Okay, this is much better now.